Marcus Aurelius's teachings remind us of the importance of introspection, virtue, and living in harmony with oneself and the universe. These quotes offer insights into Stoic philosophy. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury. Everything we hear is an opinion, not a fact. Everything we see is a perspective, not the truth. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself and your way of thinking. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love. Our actions may be impeded, but there can be no impeding our intentions or dispositions, because we can accommodate and adapt. The mind adapts and converts to its own purposes the obstacle to our acting. Accept the things to which fate binds you, and love the people with whom fate brings you together, but do so with all your heart. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. The universe is change. Life is an opinion. If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. It is not death that a man should fear, but he should fear never beginning to live. The only wealth which you will keep forever is the wealth you have given away. Do not act as if you had 10,000 years to throw away. Death stands at your elbow. Be good for something while you live, and it is in your power. The best way to avenge yourself is to not be like that. The art of living is more like wrestling than dancing. Look within. Within is the fountain of good, and it will ever bubble up if thou wilt ever dig. Choose not to be harmed, and you won't feel harmed. Don't feel harmed, and you haven't been. You always own the option of having no opinion. How much time he gains who does not look to see what his neighbor says or does or thinks, but only at what he does himself, to make it just and holy. Reject your sense of injury, and the injury itself disappears. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking.